Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting N8n to Google Docs so actions run reliably. First, create OAuth2 credentials in Google Cloud and authorize N8n. This grants token access. Once done, add a Google Docs node in your workflow and select the OAuth2 credential. Choose the document ID you'll modify. Use a test doc to avoid accidental edits. Make sure to pick the correct operation, like create or append, because that determines whether you make a new file or change an existing one. Now you shape the content that lands in Google Docs. Use a set or function node to format and concatenate fields. This lets you control headings, lists, or inline variables. Then map those outputs to the Google Docs node's content or insert text parameters so the document receives structured text. If you include images, reference drive links and verify MIME types, otherwise the node may skip them. You do this because clean input prevents formatting errors and preserves consistent document structure. Finish by executing the workflow and verifying the resulting document in Google Docs. You should inspect the node output for the response and any warnings. Manual runs help you iterate quickly. Once content looks right, enable the trigger and test end-to-end. If something goes wrong, refresh the OAuth token, confirm the document ID and permissions, and check API quotas. Those are common culprits. Make adjustments to mapping or retries, then rerun until results are consistent and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.